Our top story tonight, another banner week for the stock market and new record closes for the Dow and the S&P 500. And it was a stunning rally. 8 blue chips hit all-time highs. More than 140 stocks in the S&P closed at 52-week highs. And strategists at J.P. Morgan added to the optimism by raising their year-end price target on the S&P to 1750. Now, if they're right, the S&P would finish 2013 with a gain of 20%. Here's a look at today's closing numbers. The Dow surged 121 points to 15,354, as we set a new record. The S&P added 15 points to 1666, and the Nasdaq jumped 33 points. Bob Pisani takes a closer look at this record-setting week on Wall Street.
Another day, another record. The Dow closed at another historic high. In fact, all the major indices except for the Nasdaq closed at historic highs, including the mid-cap and the small-cap indices. There was help early on in the form of a better-than-expected read on consumer sentiment in May. This was the first positive data point we've had all week after disappointing numbers on housing starts and industrial production. Cyclical stocks have been leaders for the past couple weeks. Once again, energy, materials, industrial, and tech sectors all rose for the week. But the rallies broadened out, so even more defensive groups like healthcare were up 1.8% for the week. The other major story for the week was the continuing strength in the dollar, which hurt gold and silver. For the week, the Dow up about 1.5%. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.